Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespix. Today we've got Lucky 13 by boybilbo81. It's a MCM cylinder. We've got a mummified key, so we'll leave that in there. As you can see, it's all locked up. I'm going to use, after the pickies that I made yesterday and showed, I've made the tension wrench for it. So we're going to see if we can get it open with the Das Evers and see how we get on. Click on 1 and 2, bit of movement on the core off of 2. Little click off of 3 and 4. Click off of 3, little click off of 2, another little click off of 2, nothing off of 1. So go to the back, number 5. Not getting on anything on number 5. It's a bit of a amount of oversetting then. So back onto 4, 3, 2, 1. Something's holding me up. It's number 4. Click out number 5, 4, 3, 2, false set. Back to number 3. Number 4. And we're in. Right, let's see if we can give this a bit of a gut in. Just arrange the camera so I can actually see everything. Okay, so find everything out. There's the gut wrench. Okay, so the gut wrench. Just spinner. Okay, got the shims handy. And the Tony Worrell plug follower. So the pins are at the top. So as we can see, they all needed picking. We got threading in 2 and 4. So number 1, lovely turned spool. Short pin with a serration. Longer pin with a serration. Deeper serration on that pin. And a turned spool on number 5. So up top, number 1, factory spool, 2, double serration, 3, very, very shallow waisted spool. Kind of an oddity. Number 4 and number 5 is a standard spool. So spring wise, I'll show you these all in a minute. Number 2 is looks like it's out of a pen. Number 4, great big long springs in there, surprised you got them in. Number 5, again they're all different springs. And they're all very long, except for number 3. So as for mods on the core, nothing going on in there. Give you a little show of the pins. Bit of a selection. That is, I mean that just looks like that could break at any moment. That is a proper thin pin. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. That was Lucky 13 by boybilbo81. Perfect. Thank you very much.